real world, if some stranger offered you a candy, will you take it? I think you probably won't, right? In real world, we stay attentive and observe everything. That's fine. But do we really stay attentive in the online world? Well, let's find out. But before that, check out this bite.
What's your name?
It's a scam targeting 110 million Netflix customers who don't want to lose access to their favorite shows.
There's something wrong with your sister.
The fake suspension notification email, a phishing scam designed to get you to give up your information, reads, "We were unable to validate your billing information. Simply click restart your membership to update your details." In Kansas, 23-year-old Skylar Stephen clicked on the link.
I gave them my debit card information, and then they cleaned me out of $2,000, and they opened up 45 bank accounts in my name.
On its website, Netflix says it may email you account information with a link to our website, but be cautious of fake emails that may link to phishing websites.
Whoa, that seems really scary, right? So, let's see what happens if you blindly open a link. So here, I've got my smartphone, and let me open my messages app, and it seems that I've got a message. So let me open that up, and it's saying that, "Dear Twitter user, we have detected some unusual activity. We urgently ask you to follow the account review link." Fine. We usually think that it's genuine and blindly clicks the link. And let me open the link and enter my credentials and see what's happening with my account. And as soon as I signed in, there's nothing wrong with my account. Everything just works fine, and we doesn't bother about this and blindly close it and simply ignores this. So now let me show you the meat part. As soon as you open the link and enter your credentials, the attacker will easily get your credentials, and using these credentials, he can do whatever he wants. And the things gets really scary. Just imagine, if you blindly open the link and it redirects to your banking website, where you'll be need to provide your account credentials, debit card and credit card details. And on the other side, the attacker will get all of your credentials and debit card details. Wait, that will be some real chaos, right? This is what happens if you blindly open a link. So never ever open a link blindly. And remember, if something looks too good to be true, it probably is it. Stay safe. That's it for this video. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it, and mention your comments on this video. I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, peace out.
Real-time map from Threat Cloud shows the world is under constant cyber attack. And phishing emails are now far more sophisticated than those emails we've all received from so-called Nigerian princes.
If I put a phishing email up against a real email that are developed by some of these advanced adversaries, it is almost impossible to tell which one's the good one and which one's the bad one.
They've gotten better.
They've gotten much better.
Netflix suggests hovering your cursor over web links to see if the address looks legitimate or suspicious.
The answer is never click on a link in an email and provide information that you wouldn't give to somebody on the street.
Age-old advice that never gets old.
You keep sleeping on the couch, just